Mrs. Sexton, how are you?
I'm good, Mrs. Mitchell. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay, but I'm a little confused. I know how to make a 10. I see a 10 there, but I'm confused what I'm supposed to do with it. I don't know.
Oh, so you're probably trying to do this problem 84 plus 66?
Yep.
And you wanted to use our make a 10 strategy?
Yeah, I'm seeing 6 and 4 make 10, but what do I do? Do I add it to 14
okay.
or?
You're saying that 6 and 4 make 10?
Yeah.
So you can use our place value strategy, or you could use our make a 10 strategy.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks to me like you might be trying, if you see a 10, maybe you're trying to use my place value strategy. So if you're doing that, are you looking at the 4 and the 6?
I am.
All right, so you know that 4 ones plus 6 ones make 10, right?
Correct.
But then we also want to add our 10s, right?
Yes.
So how many 10s do you have in 84?
8 10s.
8 10s, which is equal to
80?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you also have 6 10s, which is equal to how much?
60.
60. What's 80 plus 60?
Well, I know 8 and 6 is 14, but some of my friends were telling me that it was 114. And I'm confused. I'm pretty sure it's not 114.
It's not 114, but it's 14 10s.
Oh,
so
I get it.
14
That
10s
means
is
I've
equal
gotta put
to... you have
zero
to
in
put
the
a
place,
0.
ones
So that's
place.
140.
Right.
So,
I remember that from
yeah.
our place value.
Oh,
you know?
good.
Yeah.
So now we've added our 10s and we've added our 1s. We got 10 and we got 140. Now we just have to add them together to see how many we have in all.
I know 40 and 10 make 50.
They do. So what's 140 and 10?
150.
Good. So
Yay.
140 and 10 make 150. So that's one of the ways that we can solve this problem, 84 plus 66. But let's see, you also mentioned wanting to use the make a 10 strategy. So let's see what it would look like to make a 10 with this problem. So for 84 plus 66, to make the next 10, if we have 84, how many more do we need to get to the next 10? Do you know what the next 10 is?
90, because I can
90,
round.
yeah.
But if I rounded, I would go to 80.
Uh-huh.
But I have 4 already. But to get to the next 10 on the number line would be 90, so I need 6 more.
You're right, you need 6 more. So we can take 6 out of 66, right? If we took 6 out of 66, what else? 6 and what else makes 66?
60.
6 and 60. So this just looks like a number bond, right? So now we can add our 84 and our 6. That gives us 90. And we know that we have 60 left to add. So we know that 90 plus 60 makes...
I gotta think about this again, because
Yeah.
this was like that up
It's
there.
just like that other one,
So
right?
I have 15
So
10s.
15 10s.
So I know it's not 15 because
Nope.
this is more than 15 already. So I have
Yep.
90 and 60. I think that's going to be under the 50.
You're right. We add a 0, so 90 and 60 is 150. So we solved our problem, same problem, but we solved it a different way. Let's try another problem and see if we can use another one of our mental math strategies. Let me see. Sorry. Seems I can't separate those now. That's okay. All right, I will move make them smaller. All right, so we'll just put our chart over here. Let's do another problem because I want to show them the friendly number strategy.
Okay.
So let's try to do let's do 96.
I like those.
Plus 43. Actually, we'll show them both our adding the parts strategy with the number line, and we'll show them friendly numbers. So let's do 96 plus 43. So, Mrs. Mitchell, what easy number to add is 96 really close to?
100.
100, right? So we could do, but how much do we add to get from 96 to 100?
6 plus 4 is 10. So 96 plus 4 would be 100.
Exactly. So we added 4 to get 100. So now we can do 100 plus 43. And that's easy. What's 100 plus 43?
143, but
Yeah.
but that won't be 143
Because what?
because we have too many. 'Cause
We
that
do.
was
We have too
100.
many because we
Yeah.
added 4. So since we added 4, now we have to subtract our 4. So if I added, I have to subtract. So if I added 4, I also have to make sure that I subtract 4. So what's 143 minus 4?
I like saying 43 minus 4 because I can.
yeah.
I know if I take away 3 from 40, I have 40.
Yeah.
If I take away 3 from 43. So I take away one more, I'm going to have 39.
Good. You're going to have
And
39.
then I'm going to add it back to my 100.
So that gives you what?
139.
139 is our answer. So that's how we use our friendly number strategy. We find a number that would be easier to add, such as 100, but then we have to take into account the number we added and we have to subtract it because we can't add extra numbers into our
right.
problem. That's our friendly number strategy. Now let's go and look at our number line strategy because there was a problem on our homework that asked us to use a number line.
Oh, man.
That was a little bit of a confusing
Some of my friends
one.
were confused about
Yeah,
that.
sorry about that, friends. Hopefully this will clear it up for you a little bit. So I need to draw my number line. And this number line, it's just anywhere on the number line. So the beginning's way over here, and it can keep going forever and ever this way. So we're just going to put our first addend, 96, somewhere on our number line.
Okay.
Closer to this way side, because we're going to be adding, so we're going to be making
Can
more.
we count by tens?
We could count by tens. How many tens are there in 43?
4 tens.
There's 4 tens, so I'm going to write that. There's 40, which is 4 tens. So how many tens would we have to go? 10,
20,
20,
30,
30,
and 40.
and 40. Okay, so let's see. If we are counting by tens, we have 96.
Oh man,
And
this
10
is
more
hard
is-
crossing that decade.
I
I know it's
know.
going to see is 6 here because I'm crossing, I'm adding my
Yep,
ones. So 106.
very good. 106. Then 10 more is 116, 126, and 136. So we've added 40, but 43 is 40 and 3.
Now we got to go to ones and count by
Yep.
ones.
Now we got to count by
instead.
ones. So
Little
1,
hops.
2, little hops. 1, 2, 3. So 136, 137, 138, and 139. So we get
Got it.
our same answer of 139.
Yeah, I like
Alright.
that. That
Yeah,
makes sense.
I like that too. All right, so those are the mental math strategies that we've been talking about in my class. Now, there's so many different strategies that you guys can use to solve addition problems. We just want to be able to see what they are. So shall we give them some challenge problems?
Definitely. Let's
We'll give them some challenge problems.
And we want to have those turned in for a teacher high five
For
tomorrow.
a teacher high five. So bring back your challenge problems to get a teacher high five. Let's see. We'll give you some challenges. Here are your challenge problems for tonight. We have 72 plus 51. We have 476 plus 30. We have 98 plus 55.
Ooh, I know that one
And
already.
430 plus 97. So,
Hey, sounds good.
all right.
Okay.
Happy
See-
mathing. Is that a word?
Yes.
All right. And practice your spelling words too with
That's
those
right.
INGs and those ED endings.
Yes.
All
And-
right.
And we have a spelling test tomorrow. It's going to look just like the paper we sent home.
Yep. Just like your paper. So,
Bye.
yeah. Have a great evening, third grade. We'll
Yep.
see you next week.
Bye-bye.